Wow, tender, juicy chicken with bacon and zucchini stir fried. This feeds 2 people for less than $5, and I'll show you how to make it. Stay tuned. Today we're going to have a very simple meal for 2 people. We're going to start off with 1 chicken leg, 1 slice of bacon, 1 zucchini, 3 mushrooms, a jalapeno, chicken base, flour, instant ramen noodles, cherry tomatoes, and tofu. Tofu, if you don't know, we'll get to that, explain that later. Let's start our water, get the noodles going. Start off with our chicken, working on a cutting mat. Very easy. Start at the bottom of the bone, stick in there and pull forwards and pull off. Go to the other side, feel the bone, pull forwards and peel back. Cut through. Pretty easy. Now we're going to take our ramen, put it in the water. The instant ramen noodles don't cook very long. The instant ramen noodles cook very fast. Put them in there, turn the fire off, let them sit for a second, and they're ready to go. Back to our chicken. Get all the ends off over here. Get all the meat off. Pro tip with the chicken. Take your bone, put it in a bag, throw it in the trash can. That way there's no smell on the other side there. Let's cut our chicken up. Okay, we got our chicken cut up. We have our bacon cut up. We're going to cut our zucchini up. We're not going to use the entire thing. Going to use about that much of it. And we'll cut this into strips. Thin strips, so that way, if you like to, you can pick these up with a chopstick. Put those in 2, and boom, there you go. Other side, let's go like this. Watch your fingers. It's obviously sharp. There you go. There you go, and there's 2. Zucchini done. All right, we have our bacon chopped up, our chicken cut up there. We're gonna cut our mushrooms up. When using a knife, you don't have to go real fast. Keep your fingers curled, keep the knife at an angle, and use your fingers for a guide. The speed will come later. Don't worry about the speed right now. But as you get faster, as you get more confident, you can go faster. All right, let's turn the oven on, turn the stove on, and get this thing rolling. This will come together very fast. It will feed 2 people. I want to talk about a balanced meal. We're working on 4 items to put together a balanced meal. First, your protein. We have your chicken and bacon. Starch. We have the instant ramen noodles. Then we have plant. Plant, we have zucchini and tomatoes. And second of all is F, for fat and for flavor. For fat, we're going to have the oil over here. We have fat on the chicken skin, and we also have fat in the bacon. Fat versus flavor. So P, S, P, L, F adds a balanced meal. Keep that in mind. everything going forwards, keep that in mind there. People have asked me, how do you know? How do you know if the food's balanced? This is how. And with that, you can't go wrong. First one, add our bacon. This is going to be for 2 people. It's going to go very quick. And you'll enjoy this. Like I said, remember, everything can be switched around. Remember your P for protein, which can be anything. It doesn't have to be meat. Protein can be beans. Protein can be tofu, which we have over also. In fact, I'm going to cut the tofu up now. Just a little chunk here. Tofu is made out of fresh bean curd. The Orientals have used it for years. It takes on any flavor that's with there. By itself, it's very bland, very high in protein, very low in calories, very good item to add to your meal. Using a new stove here, so bear with me. Cooking in butane. Butane gets a little hot. Okay, we're going to add our chicken. We're going to add our mushrooms, our tofu, and our zucchini. This smells really good. I don't use a lot of fancy ingredients on this channel because a lot of people don't have a lot of fancy ingredients in their home. So we stick with basic ingredients. Little flip there. I'm going to pull this guy out and cut him up so he's not cut coated. There. Add a little bit of salt. Add the tomatoes. Like I said, this is going to be 2 full meals for 2 adults. Look how it's coming together. Very easy, very simple, very quick. Try to heat up a little bit. Butane cooks hotter than gas, so I'm trying to get used to this thing. So bear with me. We're going to throw some garlic in. See how it's getting brown and crisp? Like we always say, this is very easy. This is very quick. There's no magic here. We're going to add a little flour for our sauce. Now we're going to add chicken base. Stir this up. Always want to cook the flour off. Go on. See how it's getting brown? This is going to be a lot of food. This is for 2 people. This whole thing is going to be less than $5. We're going to add some water. Not much. Let this thicken up. Add some soy sauce. Add some oyster sauce. As soon as this thickens, it's going to be ready. We'll add our noodles and we'll be done for plate out. Very fast, very simple. A lot of times what I'll do is take the noodles and I'll cut them up just so it makes it a little easier. Noodles going in, fire is going off. And that's it. That's your meal for 2 people. Got somebody that gave me an item the other day and I'm going to repay her with this. I was going to put the jalapeno in there, but I don't know if she likes hot foods or not, so we'll leave this out. Let us plate this up and we'll be ready to go. Well, here it is. Stir-fried chicken, bacon, zucchini, tomatoes, mushrooms with ramen noodles. The entire thing feeds 2 people and costs about $4.50. Try this. You'll enjoy this. In the meantime, remember the equation to have a balanced meal: protein, starch, plant, and fat flavor, which is P plus S plus PL plus F equals a balanced meal. I will put explanations to all these, why they're important, why these 4 items are important in the description. I'm not going to bore you with it now. In the meantime, try this. Give this a shot. Let's try a zucchini here. Chopsticks again. Piece of chicken. If I can grab it. Sliding off. Slippery. Okay, we won't grab the piece of chicken. We'll grab this piece of chicken. Right there. This is very good. The bacon flavor, smoky, comes through with the chicken, zucchini. The noodles, the tofu. Tofu has a slight char on there. This is very good also. Tofu, like I said, is pressed bean curd. It takes on any flavor of anything you put with. It takes on any flavor of anything you put with it. Very good, very high in protein, low calories, very nutritious, very filling. And very good. So that wraps it up. I've got my habaneros right here. I didn't forget them. We'll put them on there as we're speaking. I don't have any fresh habaneros. What I do is, this is January in Florida, so I buy them when they're peak. I cut them up and I freeze them. Works out very well, as with any vegetable. Try this. Try this meal. Remember, you can vary up the ingredients. You can put anything in there you want to. And if you do, if you have any ideas, let me know what you did. Let me know where you're viewing from. Let me know how you liked it. It's very exciting, and you can cook on a budget. You don't have to spend lots of money. That's what we're here. Real food, spend less, is about real food and spending less when you're making it. If you like this video, please subscribe. Share this with a friend if you know somebody needs it. And leave a comment. Let me know what you're thinking. Let me know your thoughts. In the meantime, I'm going to finish this food, and I will see you next video. Bye. I'm going to finish eating. These zucchini are really good.